Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellavoro, and today we're going to be reviewing another Android Auto Apple CarPlay wireless adapter. This is the CarLuEX, we'll call it. It's, I guess, kind of French. This is an adapter module. This is for cars that already have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you don't have wireless connectivity. This is an adapter for that, a little module to connect to your phone or tablet, whatever you're using, wirelessly. Okay, so this is, I don't know how many of these types of products I've reviewed so far, but yeah, here we go again. So I have found ones that are just a USB, the dongle that plugs in. That's my favorite kind. However, I've tested a lot of these out. They've been hit and miss. Most of the time they connect. The only issue I've had with some of them is weird connectivity, but that's not as common of a problem. It's usually like the music will start skipping and it just drives me crazy. I'm just gonna throw the thing out of the car. So hopefully we don't have that issue this time. So here's the manual. I mean, basically you connect these things to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that's it. So I'll let you go through that manual real quick. If you need to pause it anywhere, feel free. Okay, the other side. Okay, so basically how these things work, you get them in your car, you turn them on, you connect them to your phone's Bluetooth, that usually then will create a Wi-Fi network that it connects to automatically, and then your car will treat it like your phone's just connected for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now I have seen one that it was a weird one. I had to open Apple CarPlay first, even though I don't have an iPhone, which then let me use Android Auto within that. It was weird, but that's how they got it to work. So we'll see how this one works. You do get, depending on if your phone's got USB-C or USB-A, so you got a C to C cable and a C to A cable. My car has USB-A, so we're going to use the C to A cable and get the little module out. And I do like that this is compact. It's not bulky. Pretty neat looking too. It feels like it's got some weight to it. It feels like a little novelty item you'd get that would be on like a keychain or paperweight or something like that. So let's go over to the car, get this connected. Okay, that was super simple. Literally a couple minutes I got it installed. So I plugged it into my car's USB adapter right here. I just kind of let it hang there. It does come with double-sided tape if you want to tape it in place, but this spot is a wireless phone charger, so that's why I'm not doing that. You plug it in, you connect it to your car's Bluetooth, or not your car's Bluetooth, excuse me. You connect it to your phone's Bluetooth. Give it like 5 minutes, and it's going to do a bunch of things, and eventually Android Auto will pop up in your car, or Apple CarPlay if that's what you're using. And boom, you got Waze, you've got your music, change your songs, you know, stuff like that. So pretty awesome. Pause, play, bring the full map up, you know, Google Maps. Let's see if I can get to the screen. Yeah, there we go. Google Maps is right here. So that's pretty cool. I am happy with it. I prefer Waze though over Google Maps. I don't know why Teams is on here. That's the last thing I want to see. But yeah, so a pretty quick short video. I mean, it's these things are very simple to use, right? So if you want to know more about it, just leave a comment down below. I'm going to test this out over time and see how it works for me with this system. All right, thanks for watching, guys.